every single new and working code inside a Roblox. Roblox rivals new working codes. Completely redeem and watch this to get all the rewards. Free lucky spins. We get literally free lucky spins. You can follow along and redeem all these new working codes. The next update is already kind of leaked. It's going to be the McDonald's update. The job update. No! The job update. Let's prepare for the job update. The job update. So this is supposed to be a McDonald's outfit, as well as the character is called MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. I've never heard of that name, but look out for the next update, because the next update will be a scary one. You might not even want to join up this time of the year. The first code is going to be lazy, lucky, genius. Lazy, lucky, genius. If you are a lazy, lucky genius, like the video. Subscribe for future codes. Hit 2 million. We hit 2 million. This code gives you 10 lucky spins. 10 lucky spins. WIHIRO. WMyro. The next code is WMyro. Redeem this code, get some free lucky spins. You get a bunch of free lucky spins to redeem in Roblox. Be sure to redeem every single one of them. And I can already tell you that this is probably going to be the next code. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. The next update will be the job update. Be prepared, guys. Job update. You might want to skip this one. You might want to experience the job update of Roblox. I will be there for sure, okay? I will be there. I'll be showcasing the job update.